This is the JJO Morning Show podcast with Johnny and D. Listen, rate, subscribe.
So, new ad from Columbia Sportswear. Sporty. Challenges flat earthers.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
That was coming.
They're offering to gift the entire company to anyone who can journey to the edge and bring back proof that the earth is flat.
Awesome.
It's so awesome. Give me PC too.
Columbia, they're worth a couple of bucks.
Yeah, right.
Go for it,
Here's
man.
the CEO.
Be careful, you'll fall off the edge,
Yeah.
and then we won't be able to find you.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, I'm Tim Boyle. I'm the CEO here at Columbia Sportswear. And this message is for flat earthers. You guys claim there's an end to the earth? Well, just go snap a picture. Send it to us, and you get the assets of the company. All of it. No paperwork, no lawyers, no catches.
Tim, there is some paperwork.
Hey, we're giving you all this, and all of that. Hey, flat earthers, do me a favor. If you're going to the edge of the earth, wear Columbia. You'll need it.
That's awesome.
Dude.
That's awesome sauce.
Dude, I thought so too.
There's the CEO. He ain't got much to do. He just sits around, comes up with some gags for the internet, to punk the internet. That's really funny. So you get somebody out there will change the definition of flat and challenge it in court.
Right,
I guarantee you. The surface of the liquid of a plane is technically flat.
In fine print, it says the company refers to the company LLC with assets which are valued at $100,000, but it's still a silly, funny ad. I'm not really entirely sure what spawned the challenge, you know what I mean? They're getting good traction. Everybody's talking about it, so.
So what do you got to do? You just got to take a picture of it or something?
You have to prove the earth is flat.
Well, okay. Well, wouldn't you have to take him with you?
Well, you have to go find the end.
It'd be cool. It's
and
like
take a picture.
Journey to the center of the earth. Remember the old version? They found dinosaurs and stuff down there.
I used to watch the old version all the time.
It was classic. I loved that thing.
Yeah, it was
It'd
so
be
cool.
Cool if they had to do that to go find a flat earth.
I never watched the new one.
Somehow.
I've only seen the old one.
Yeah, I don't think I saw the new one either.
Yeah.
The old one's, it's so good.
Dude, it's so weird. I loved it.
Yeah,
I would watch that and what was the one? House on Haunted Hill. I would watch that. My parents had these old classic movies I'd whip out and watch. And then Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. All the time. Nonstop. I had that movie memorized. Some things that put at the circle.
the flat earth thing was basically just people who don't believe it's flat. They just are smart asses. I don't know what the word is.
I don't
They're
think
just
that's the word I would use.
Well,
for
smart,
them.
not in the college way of smart ass. I mean, they're just trying to, anti smart ass.
They're counterpointer people.
Yeah, they're counterpoint. That's a better way to put it. Sure, they like to argue for the sake of arguing. I'll argue about anything.
Right, 100%. And they found a tribe of people that are like-minded, and whatever.
It's kind of like the old zombie preparedness. When we thought there was a word of a zombie invasion.
Zombie apocalypse.
So, okay. Funny. That was a funny setup. I have to give that guy credit.
I loved it. Spoiler alert, no one's going to win the company. Okay.
He's right up there with the Taco Bell smartasses. I like that guy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Pantone has unveiled its color of the year for 2026. Did you look at it?
Who's Pantone?
It's that.
That is the color.
Mm-hmm. No, that's the company that declares the color of the year every year.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
What's Pantone do?
It's some paint company, isn't it?
Okay.
I don't know.
Should have just said Sherwin-Williams.
It's whoever picks the goddamn color of the year. Last year it was, let's see, what was the 2025? Someone said it was poop. Yeah. Remember? This was last year. It was
I don't. Is that chocolate pudding?
Mocha mousse.
Okay.
This year, it's white. It's called Cloud Dancer.
cloud dancer.
99% of people would say it's white. They say it's a lofty white neutral whose aerated presence acts as a whisper of calm and peace in a noisy world. It symbolizes a calming influence in a society rediscovering the value of quiet reflection. It's like a white that's not bright.
Kind of boring. Feels lazy.
Pretty boring.
Does that feel lazy to you?
It was funny in the comments. This lady who works in packaging and art or something, she was all like, "No, I hate it. It's going to get dirty. Last year the color was poop brown. Get it together." She was like so pissed.
Wow.
I was dying.
Wow.
Yeah. And then it was weird too, because in the announcement, so they had like a couple different pictures. Like one was like a coffee cup, and I can't remember what the other ones were. And then the last picture was like a room that was done in it, but the room looked like a different shade of white than the rest of them did. I was like, "Are you telling me these are all the same color? Because they sure don't look like it." It was weird.
I call it apartment white.
It's weird.
The color of every apartment wall I've ever lived in.
Yeah. People were like, "Is this rage bait? What's happening?" So,
how you feel about gray? I feel like we're going through that shark skin gray thing. I see it on a lot of Harleys are picking it up. I see it on a lot of cars, and seems to be trending up still.
Yeah, I was at.
I still I see it quite a bit. You know what I see it on the most? Hondas.
Yeah,
I see it on those Honda.
The flat gray.
The
thing
flat gray, shark skin gray, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, it's fine.
A couple of different variations of it. I still like it. I still like it. I wouldn't want it in my house, but for some reason it works on yeah, I guess it'd be not a flat gray. What's on the Harley? What do they call that? Again, there's a name for it. Is it matte gray or flat gray?
I thought it was shark fin blue was the shark fin. I don't know.
It does grab your attention.
All these colors are just so, dare I say, boring. Let's bring back the 70s colors, man.
Yeah.
You know
brights? You talking about yellows and oranges and all that stuff? Yeah, there's some reds in there.
Yeah, and greens. And I don't know. I'm like, Chip and Joanne, what have you done to us? Everything's distressed.
Yeah, white walls don't excite me. I mean, when I see white, I think bland. It doesn't. I don't know. A white shirt bores me. I don't know what to tell you. How many people do you see with suits, I guess, but that's to make the tie pop. But anyways, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, man.
Boring.
I know that brighter cars, I think, traditionally hold their value more.
Oh, we had that story.
Yeah. So then what would be a bland? A brown, a white, you know?
Let's see.
Like a orange.
Well, this says here.
Like a red or a green would hold its value more. Am I wrong about that?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Oh, well, Chase Bank says something different. Best and worst car colors for resale value study. Let's go.
Unless it's ivory. I do like ivory. But a white car, I wouldn't want a white car. That'd drive me crazy. That's boring.
Yeah, I'm so practical about stuff. I could care less what color my car is. I do not care at all. I know we have this.
So you would pick out a white car out of a lineup of fun colors?
If it was the better value, yeah, I wouldn't care.
Fair enough.
I would not care.
Yeah, fair enough.
I like this one.
Doesn't scream fun to me. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not. It's more about value for me. Okay, a new study looked at which cars hold their value best over 3 years. Yellow cars sell for the highest average price of any color.
There you go.
The rest of the top 5 colors are beige, orange, green, and gray.
There you go.
So it's like a mix.
Okay, so
because those are kind of.
I call white a safe color. I wouldn't call it my favorite color by any means.
The color that holds its value the worst is gold.
Oh yeah, gold stuff. Yeah, gold makes my gums hurt. I don't know why.
The rest of the 5 worst colors are brown, purple, black, and white.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
And then I have birds poop on some car colors more than others. Birds tend to hit brown vehicles the most, followed by red and black. White and silver cars ranked lowest. There you go. There you have it. Yeah, I know. Like, I got my Mazda, and I love that red that Mazda has, but the black one, it was such a good value. I was like, okay, whatever. I don't care. I'll just get that one.
Well, black traditionally never goes out of style. I mean, black comes and goes, but it's consistent. I give black consistency. It's cool. It's always cool.
Yeah.
Might not be your favorite, but it's stood the test of time.
Right.
I mean,
Totally.
every Ford we bought since the beginning of 1902 was black. You can have any car you want as long as it's black. That's what Henry Ford said.
Yeah.
I know. Cloud dancer.
Yeah, dumb. Dumb. I just wish these, I don't know. I'm tired of the boring interior.
I mean, I would rather have a, like some people's veneers are too white.
Oh my God, yeah.
You know, I know there's some things that are just too white. I like a off white. I don't even know what that is.
Matching your veneers is a skill set. They're supposed to match it to your eye, the white of your eye.
Oh, I never knew that.
And that's what makes it
Really?
so it doesn't seem too bright.
That's interesting. I mean, when we do some of these backstage things, my wife is in country music, so we get to meet some of the artists. I'm lying. We meet all the artists. But when you
nobody here cares, dude.
I was saying in case my wife was listening, I appreciate her. And there's free booze back there, so I win. I don't even know what I was saying.
Veneers.
Oh, veneers. Where was I going to go with that? We get to see them in real time.
Right.
Oh my God! It looked like there's a sun coming out of
They're
their mouth.
cringy. I know. It's
like,
too much.
It's too much. Some of those videos. I mean, I understand why they do it. I get it. But now I understand. Now that you said the white of your eyes, that makes perfect sense.
Right.
They won't be glowing. They won't look like they're radioactive.
Right. And that
Interesting.
And now that you've heard that, you're going to notice it all the time.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And you're like, if only it was a little bit darker, it would match the white of their eyes and it would look more natural.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's when they were trying to match for my implants, they obviously go from what the teeth are around you, but they go with what your eyes are too.
Makes perfect sense.
Yeah. Wild.
All right.
I know.
New rule. Check the eyeballs.
Put it in place.
Dumbing down your smartphone. One podcast at a time. Listen, rate, and subscribe to the JJO Morning Show podcast. Get up with Johnny and D. JJO.
Dude, that's so bad.
Yeah, you want to hear the worst sound in the world?
It's that.
It's that. It's not Dumb and Dumber. It's the dentist drill.
Mm-hmm. Okay, scientists are trying to fix the worst sound in the world, the dentist drill. Tomomi Yamada, a dentist at the University of Osaka's Graduate School of Dentistry, and colleagues have investigated the aerodynamics of dentist drills and how people of different ages perceive their high-pitched whining sound. The aim is to design a drill that lessens the noise while still maintaining the performance.
High-pitched whining sound. We talking about Vicky McKenna or a dentist drill? Oh, dude, it's Friday. Come on. Come on, man. We're all in this together. Come on.
You're gonna hurt her feelings.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Come on. God, high five. Get it.
Like a low
Bring it in.
pitch whining
Bring it
sound.
in. Blow the potato up. Bring it in here.
So far away.
Throw a potato at me. I don't care.
Originally, I was doing research on dental materials, but I realized that almost no one, not even dentists, was tackling the sound problem scientifically. That's what Yamada said in a statement. She presented their research yesterday during the 6th joint meeting.
I look forward to the 7th joint meeting. Oh, yeah.
Of the Acoustical Society of America and the Acoustical Society of Japan.
God, they do sound like a jet engine winding up, don't they? Yeah. I listen to those F-35 spool up out of it. Yeah, man. That's what it sounds like when you sit in my backyard. With the
right away, it's
30,
just like,
35 scramble. I'm like, oh, there goes Toronto.
it's just so much.
Headphones?
A raccoon broke
Get
into
out of here. And that's what I was thinking, too, is like, why don't we just put it on their ears, Like, why don't we just have ear protection?
There's got to be a way.
But anyway.
Okay, go ahead.
The team used a supercomputer
Oh, yeah.
to run large-scale aeroacoustic simulations.
I wonder if I wonder if you can get hearing loss. Right. If there's a damage, minimal.
Well,
it would add. It probably doesn't help. But what do you think about it?
No, I don't know, because it's not super loud, and it's not like you're hearing it for hours and hours and hours.
Yeah.
And I don't know.
Do you think if they could have fixed it, they would have fixed it a long time ago?
Well, ain't nobody thought about it.
Nobody thought about it. Yeah.
The study of sound created by airflow and its influence. That's what aeroacoustics is.
Yeah, you hear that sound, you just equate it with whatever is on the end of that thing burying into the pulp of your tooth.
The simulations allowed the researchers to visualize and study the air movement through and around the drill to create noise powered by compressed air and rotating at around 320,000 revolutions per minute.
Holy crap!
Our research showed that just making the drill quieter isn't enough to make the sound less unpleasant. What really matters is improving its sound quality. Yamada and her colleagues also investigated the psychological effect of the dental drill's sound with children and adults. The drill's nightmare sound can reach almost 20 kilohertz, and they revealed that younger individuals felt the sound to be louder and more unpleasant than adults. This indicates that children's fear of dental sounds is not merely psychological, but also physiological in nature. Children truly hear these sounds differently, so their fear of dental is a genuine sensory response. It's not just imagination. Mm-hmm. God damn it.
Yeah. That sounds like a freaking table saw. Is that
It's a dentist drill.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I hate it. I hate that noise.
In other words, your children are justified in pretending to be sick on the day of their dentist visit.
I believe it.
Within this context, the team is trying to improve the blade geometry and exhaust port of the drill to lessen the noise while safeguarding performance.
You have to somehow replace the noise of a high screech drill with the sound of a pickleball court.
Oh, God.
That'll lull you right to sleep.
They'll have to strike the right balance between performance and safety to get the dental industry on board. Because 4 out of 5 dentists don't know what the heck's up with this new drill.
Right.
A drill that simply is quieter isn't necessarily an effective one. Moving forward, we hope to work with dental manufacturers through industry, academia partnerships, progressing towards commercialization after completing the necessary regulatory and durability testing. So, we'll see if there's a new drill. I did think about that. I haven't had the drill used on me in a long time, but just how fast it goes and how you really got to make sure that drill is working properly, or it would be a hellacious.
Oh yeah, go right to your jaw
visit.
You don't want to walk.
Or just like it getting caught on something or stuck, or you know what I'm saying?
It's the sound. It's the combination of the sound of the drill and equating it with pain. Because when there's drilling, but usually you're numb. I get it, but I mean, usually that's the result is pain at the end.
Right.
That's the psychological leap you got to take.
Well, there's the anxiety of
about
it all.
Right.
It's a whole combination of things.
Maybe you could jam some Sabaton at full blast while she's cranking on the drill. Mm-hmm. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, whatever.
They ask you want to watch TV, you want a little music, you want a foot rub, want me to put my hand down your pants, whatever it takes.
We talk a lot. I feel like my dentist visits take longer than other people's because
we're super chatty.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're super chatty about stuff.
I'm sure nobody out there is surprised that we're there yapping at the dentist.
I have opinions when I'm at the dental office.
You're like, just shut up. Just shut up and let me take care of your mouth, for Christ's sake. Well, you only get to see him every 6 months.
Yeah, it's
true. I have to
true.
catch up on everything.
I was thinking that didn't the drills when you were a kid seem like it was slower? I mean, isn't it? Or am I crazy?
I don't know. 320,000 revolutions.
Yeah,
a minute.
that's insane.
Seconds.
That's
crazy.
It's insane. I get it. I understand that. It just seemed like I was trying to think because I had braces. I mean, I went through the whole
did you?
nightmare when you had to have a steel band around every tooth.
Oh, my God.
Dude, just.
I know. Braces are so different now.
I'd rather have.
That Invisalign is crazy.
Right.
Yeah.
And then who does that? Who knocks you out in town? That sleep dentistry thing? Don't they knock you out?
Yeah. Yep. I don't know.
Somebody hold your jaw open and they just knock you the hell out. No fear.
I think it's yeah.
Is that nitrous or?
No, nitrous is the laughing gas.
Yeah.
Give you some whippets.
What's a worse sound to you than a dentist drill? What's the worst sound? Worst sound ever.
Bro country.
I knew she was going to say that. How do you expect me to explain this to my wife? This is very, very tough to go home to. Hi, how's it going?
You should hear some of the sounds coming out of your mom when I'm drilling her.
Oh, dude, go ahead. Yeah, let me hear that. Oh, and then he goes to sleep. I get it. I'm going to go with, you say bro country. The worst, what sounds worse than it? I'm going to say sleep token. That was for skee ball. She's in the office. And then I'm going to...
listen.
I'm going to say a baby crying.
I'm going to change my answer.
Yeah.
To sleep token.
Yeah. And then we're building a resistance, by the way. This is like, I'm telling you. We outnumber. There's more of us. I swear to God, there's more of us.
That's right.
Trying to think. Baby crying. I guess I was wondering if I lived next to roosters. I've never really lived next to roosters.
Cody already beat us to it. He was all like, the worst sound. Yep. Caramel, sleep token. Damn it. Roosters.
I mean, it's like this because it's the same, like roosters, you have the same tone, the same frequency. It's the same damn effing rooster, right?
Well, no, they have
I know, but you're
inflections.
you're all within, micro frequencies, right?
I like their
you do?
low voices. Yeah. Although, I mean,
I don't know. I've never
some roosters are more annoying than others. That's for sure.
Okay.
I like chickens and their little chatter that they got.
I will tell you what has a super duper ear splitting noise is those freaking gas powered leaf blowers, man. We got it. They sound like jet engines.
Yeah.
And you
I
don't
have an electric one.
Well, whatever. I'm just saying they have a really, really aggressive high pitch, whatever it is, whatever the sonic definition is.
The toddler screech is worse than a baby crying.
Not a fan of the toddler. Mm-hmm. Not a fan of the toddler.
Yeah.
Ambulance sirens hurt my ears. What else hurt my ears? I don't know. Those might be. Are those our top ones? So sleep token.
By a mile. By a mile.
I mean, a leaf blower makes a vacuum cleaner sound like, nap time, It's crazy.
All right.
Drills don't bother me. What about a squeaky windshield wiper? What do you think of that?
Yeah.
Hi, how's it going?
Happy Five Finger Friday.
Yeah, what's up, buddy?
I couldn't imagine anything worse than going to the dentist. I'm still scarred for life, but I went a couple of weeks ago for a filling, and they've got like this hypersonic hydro drill.
Is that water? Is that water?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, like water and sonic vibration. Blasted that crap out. Took a syringe, filled the filling, and I was in and out of there in like an hour.
Whoa.
It was amazing. Yeah, and
Okay.
I hate the dentist, bro. It's like my nemesis.
Oh no.
But as far as sound goes, now you know what everybody feels like that they've had to sit in that room with you for the last.
Yeah, I got it. I've plowed through a couple of co-hosts. I got you.
Literally.
I got you. Literally. I've impregnated a third of my co-hosts. It's really, really impressive.
Those poor people, Johnny. Could you imagine how many kids that you don't know about all over this town?
Yeah. I don't want. No, I'm not going to answer that. No,
They're going to start calling you the Bill. They're going to start calling you the Bill Cosby of Madison.
Oh no! Oh what?
Jeez.
Wait a minute! Holy Jesus!
He doesn't have oatmeal.
Get out of here, man.
Dude, what's happening?
What is he talking about? No.
There's a lot going on this break.
Although tequila does make their, you know what, fall off. What was that country song? Tequila makes your clothes fall off. Now that's true. I didn't make her drink the tequila though. What else? How do you feel about fireworks? You like fireworks? They don't bother me too much.
Nah, they don't bother me too much, but I know they bother other people, so I'm not a huge fan. And animals, they bother animals.
Here's something really weird. If we have a fan, we have this fancy fan in our bedroom that we sleep to.
Yeah.
And if like when they start going bad and the pitch changes or something starts not, I don't know, whether it's getting old or it's wearing out, whatever, or something is happening to it.
Yeah.
I can sense it, and I have to go buy a new one.
Yeah.
Isn't that weird? Because I'll walk in.
No, I get it.
To that, like it'll not rotate right or something, or the something's just not, something changed. I gotta go get a new one. What else? Anything else? All right, wrap it up. I gotta go. Hello. Hello. What's up?
Hello.
I was going to say a terrible sound.
Yeah. What is it?
A terrible sound is styrofoam in the car.
Oh.
The leftovers.
Styrofoam?
That's styrofoam.
Yeah.
Like moving around?
Moving around in the back of the seat.
Yep, I hear you. I understand that squeak sound that
Yeah,
it
no,
makes.
you have your leftovers, you're coming home and everything, and it's just all of a sudden, it's just like squeaking in your ear.
Mm-hmm. And it's I'm getting the heebie-jeebies thinking about it.
I'm trying to. Okay. All right. Thanks, man.
Thank you.
I could see that on like an 8-hour trip. Otherwise I wouldn't.
No, it's that squeak that I make. Ugh. Yep, I get it.
How about a windshield wiper that's not. Hello, how's it going? Hello.
Worst noise is the emergency warning tone that you play on the radio.
Oh, forgot about that one. Yeah, that's
the
not,
emergency broadcast.
That's not great. Well, that's for your benefit, not ours. So
I know when danger is coming. I have windows in the truck.
And by the way, what is your? Here's something we never talked about. What is your plan if we actually come on and say this is not an emergency? The nukes,
real life.
What is your plan? I mean, what are you? What are you gonna
Here's
do?
what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna blow this. I'm just gonna lay on that thing and drain the air tank.
All right.
And just carry on and
Sounds
wait
good.
for it to
All
come.
right. Watch the fireworks. All right, I dig it. All right, man.
Everyone's sitting at the stoplights looking at me, wondering what I'm honking at.
I got you, brother. All right, thanks,
Great
man.
Friday.
I like your. I'm with you. I'm with you. We'll crank the tunes and have ourselves a little.
Hey, keep your stick on the ice, kid.
All right, man. See you, buddy.
Replay today the JJO Morning Show podcast. Get up with Johnny and D. JJO.
Have a something, something, something. Say nothing just in case. 'Cause I don't know if you're ho, ho, ho by looking at your face. Starbucks has a cup that doesn't have a tree. Everyone has lost their minds, called the holiday police. Oh, yeah, yeah. Have a something, something, something. And in case you didn't hear, oh, by golly, have a this year.
True. Oh yeah.
Church driving is what I like to do. I like church driving with you.
Medicine man accused of his 8th OWI. Around 2 p.m. Tuesday.
8 D's.
A deputy with the sheriff's office pulled over a Ford van on Alvarez Avenue in Blooming Grove. Gerald M. Park, 68 years old, was drunk.
You know what DUI S stands for when you get 8 of them? I'm stupid.
Okay. And in violation of a court-ordered interlock ignition device. Officials said the vehicle was registered to a driver whose license had been revoked. So it wasn't even registered to him, whatever.
Oh, my God.
Dane County authorities arrested the man and took him to Dane County Jail on a tentative felony charge of operating while under the influence, 8th offense. He also received citations for operating while revoked, failure to install an ignition interlock device, and a probation violation.
Okay, so how old is he again?
68.
Okay, so, yeah, that's a spectacular career.
Spanning many decades.
Of felonious activity.
He's drunk.
Who do you think you are, Andre the Giant? Dude, you can't drink 135 beers in a night. Come on.
Tuesday at 2 p.m., dude. So, yeah.
And driving. I mean, yeah, just, oof. Did he steal the car? Or no. I know what they do. It's like it's a bunch of drunk guys with DUIs that just share.
But even the person who
they car share it.
So it says the person that the vehicle is registered to had their license revoked, but he also had his license revoked.
It's incredible. It's like drunk infinity.
Right. It's drunk inception, dude.
You think a bunch of guys that have that many DUIs or revocations would have a plan, and they'd rotate? It's like, okay, my license has been taken away, but I'm going to drive illegally, but I'm going to stay sober enough. So today's my sober day while you get hammered out of your mind. And so this is Tuesday, so that his buddy could stay sober while he watched him get hammered at the bar. And then Thursday, they take turns. They switch.
Nah.
You think you'd have a system instead of having to deal with all this crap? What do you think? 8 DUIs.
Yeah, dude.
God damn.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Should we see when they all happened?
That is insane. You're going to CCAP that son of a...
This is my favorite.
This is my favorite. Do we have CCAP music? Hang on. Where's my elevator?
Where's my Law and Order?
No. I need when somebody comes out to win an Academy Award. That's my favorite. That's my favorite theme song.
Let me see.
All right.
I'll find it. You gotta give me a second. Find everything.
No, it's all right. Don't worry about it.
Well, it's too late now. You got it in my head.
I could get some closing credits. Go ahead. CCAP that son of a bitch.
Okay. I
See what's
can't
going on
find
here.
the award music, so
right,
here we go. I'm going to find him on CCAP. That's nice. That is nice. Okay, and his name is Gerald Parks. Holy smoke-a-roonies. Oh, yeah, these are just... They're just one after the other. What do we got here? 2016. That looks like, what is that? Disorderly conduct. Oof. Okay. Some theft action. Okay, that's a 5th or 6th DUI in 2018. So let's go back to find.
You still got some intro music.
I got
so
some
take your
bail
time.
jumping in 2003. So I'm assuming it's for. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to go to page 2.
Page 2.
Um.
Isn't it amazing in this state? I'll say it again. I always say this, but you can get 8 DUIs and not be in jail, but you smoke a joint and you're never heard from again. This is a weird place, man.
Never heard from again. Jesus Christ.
I'm trying to scare you straight. Did I just scare you straight? Give me that joint.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna requisition that joint so you don't get.
Okay, so he must have had ones that got pulled off his record. Because I can't find the first one, but the 4th one was in 2004. And then we just kept going.
Good Lord. Where does he live? What did I miss? Where does he live? Where was this at? Is he out on the back roads, or is he not caring?
What happened in Blooming Grove?
Blooming effing Grove, dude.
So, let's see. I can find his address on CCAP here.
Well, if you want to give his...
I'm not going to give his address. He lives in Madison.
Yeah, that's Madison. Blooming Grove. Is that east?
Well, just because he was drinking in Madison doesn't mean he lives there.
Right.
Well, buddy, you're not making a lot of great decisions, but whatever. You're 68 now. You might as well ride it out till the end.
Everybody in McFarland fears this dude. It's what he could blame the fish fry. He'd say the beer batter.
Oh no,
is my favorite ever.
The beer batter defense.
The beer batter defense
rarely works. Rarely works.
Yeah. I don't know what to tell you. Move him next to a bowling alley. I don't know. Put him in a camper behind Toby's. Do something so he can walk wherever. What do we got to do?
Yeah. I don't even know. I don't even know. I was going to say you have to wait till you hurt somebody, but even then it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I know. It's just
so.
It's that these are the guys that really you got to worry about. I mean, it's like the drunk challenge. It's weird. You can't stop them.
I mean, right, and I mean, if the Tavern League does their Safe Ride program, right? Doesn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know, for Christ's sake. All right, well, that guy is.
It takes a village.
In jail right now.
Takes a village to keep a drunk off the road.
Well, we can't even do it then.
So what will happen to him now? What's the absolute worst a judge can throw at him?
Okay, let's see.
Eighth DUI. I mean, you got to look at his body of work. I mean, this is really like the Academy Awards when you're getting a Lifetime Achievement Award.
Minimum of 3 years in prison.
Yeah. I don't think that's enough.
For 8?
I mean, he clearly has no respect.
I mean, it's a minimum of 3, potentially up to 12.5.
Okay, that's better.
So,
I mean, it might be worth. I don't know. Letting Bunk with some other drunk in jail. And
Bunk with a drunk program.
Dude, Bunk with a drunk. Write that down. Dude, Sheriff Mahoney.
We're unleashing the Bunk with a drunk program.
Sheriff Mahoney out there in his retirement is just going, God damn it, I should have thought of that. Could have saved the city $500.
Yeah, no kidding.
Oh.
Okay, fines up to $25,000 plus court costs and surcharges.
I don't think you're going to get
permanent revocation.
There you go.
Well, we're
already on that.
It doesn't matter. Yeah. He drives without a license.
Holy Toledo.
Okay, fine. Bye. I'm done.
Give him a horse.
Agitated.
Oh, no, a donkey. How about a mule?
We don't need any animal neglect coming up.
How about a bicycle? No, he'd screw that up.
How about one of them scooters?
Drive it right out into
electric scooters.
Drive it right out into traffic.
Right into traffic, I'm sure. Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know what the answer is. He's angry and getting angrier and drunker. So the end game, I assume, is head on into a bus. I guess.
Mm-hmm. I don't know.
The best answer is for him to die in a car accident.
Oh, Jesus Christ, John.
What?
Holy crap.
I mean,
burp the baby. Burp the baby. No, I mean, prison, jail, whatever, 3 years or more. He'll sober up. He'll be 71 minimum when he gets out. He can't be the pinnacle of health. He's been drunk for how long?
That's career numbers, career stats.
So
I don't think
his longevity is very great. You know what I'm saying?
I don't think Robin Yount had those kind of numbers.
Oh, here we go. Put him in with your business.
Oh, dude, it's a death match. It's a death match. Can you imagine those two? I bet they fall in love. I guarantee it. They'll fall in love. They'll have a little bitty shebidna. Oh, I don't know. I mean, you gotta. There's got to be like neighbors or somebody know this guy and what he's about, and then you can kind of. I guess it's harder to do than it sounds. Kind of keep an eye on him. I don't know.
You want to be in charge of a drunk?
No, I don't want to be in charge of a drunk guy.
No,
I don't.
No, usually their family don't want to do it. Nobody wants to. Usually everybody's tired of them.
So we'll revisit this in 3 years. Hopefully I'll be retired and I ain't got to talk about this guy anymore.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, it's going to be you and Brock, dude. You, Brock, and Kiki on the morning show. Trying to fix the
It's a lot of tits hanging out.
trying to fix the drunk problem. I'll tune in from Florida.
Florida's going to be underwater. All right, scissoring through the news and cutting out the crap. I'm Biatch.
Oh, no. Let me see. I got some drunk advisors. My drunk advisors are on the phone. Hello, what do we do?
How about the first offense you get 6 months or a year? And then for every offense after that, that's how many years you get. So if you get two, you get 2 years. You get three, you get 3 years.
So
8 years.
Wow. So first offense, which I don't think is jail time at all, but it's not even a felony. So the first time I think, so you want to do 6 months, first DUI, and then second one you want to do 6 years?
No, the second one you get 2 years.
Oh, I see what you're doing.
Third one, 3 years. Fourth one, 4 years.
I see. That sure seems like easy math to me,
like
dude.
it.
I don't mind that at all.
I mean, it's got to be a deterrent because right now there is no deterrent.
Yeah, there is no deterrent.
I mean, what's he getting? 3 years for his 8?
Well,
Well, it's a minimum.
It's
minimum.
those are minimum. Hey, you don't need a roommate that you can mentor, do you?
No, we have too many four-legged kids running around. to have
I see.
Freaking roommate.
All right, sounds good. All right, thanks.
Later.
Hey, that's not the worst idea I've heard.
Bunk with a drunk.
Bunk with a drunk.
You sponsor the drunk person.
Dude. No, you even get you can get some sponsorship money from the state.
Right. They're because they're like a ward of the state or whatever.
Yeah.
And then you get
Like you get rent.
you get like foster care money.
Yeah. I would do that.
You would be a terrible person to bunk with a drunk.
Hey, you want to
dude.
go to the Windsor and have some cocktails? Dude,
You're like, I can't believe they approved you.
dude, bar next door's got great happy hour, dude. You want to go to the bar? Play some darts? Hi, how's it going?
Drunker than you
Yeah.
are.
All right, here's the fix.
All right.
This guy gets a ticket. His sisters and his brothers and sisters, his family get a ticket too. They gotta pay.
Hell no.
They gotta pay for some of his problems.
All right, I don't. Okay,
Hell
okay.
no.
So it's like bust the deal, spin the wheel. This is like Mad Max. So you put the names of all the relatives up there and you start spinning the wheel.
Hell no. Listen.
And that way they can give him an earful.
Dude, yeah. You just get to scream at him. I love it.
The JJO Morning Show podcast with Johnny and D. Listen, rate, subscribe. Catch a new show every Monday through Friday, 6 till 10 a.m. on 94.1 JJO or streaming anywhere in the JJO app. Johnny and D, nowhere but JJO.